And today Colton and I are going to be showing you this handheld pulse oximeter. That's right. If you need to keep track of pulse rate and blood oxygen levels overnight or for an extended period of time, then this is going to be the machine for you. It's completely wireless, it's handheld, it's rechargeable, it can keep track of up to 30 users at a time, and it even has an app on your phone to keep records and so you can monitor from your phone as well. Very, very cool. We're going to open it up real quick so you can see what you're going to get, and then we're going to test it out. You ready, Cole?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so let's see. All right, so we've unboxed everything here. We'll get all this box out of the way. And you're going to have your oximeter right here. Of course, it keeps track of oxygen levels, but it also keeps track of heart rate. You have a sensor probe right here. This is the one that you can actually strap on for overnight use, and it comes with the little straps for the little ones. You have a nice silicone case to help keep your oximeter safe. You have the one for quick testing or finger testing. This is another sensor. Then you also have a USB to USB-C cord, and then you have a charging base as well, and you can set this beside the bed just like so, and it will keep it nice and charged. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to get Colty over here. We're going to hook all this up to him, and we're going to see how well this works. All right, so we have the oximeter here, and we have Colty sitting here. He's going to lend us his foot so we can show you how this all works. And first thing we're going to do is we are going to take, this is for your infant or your baby monitoring right here. And you'll take one of these little straps like this, and you will put the probes just like this through the strap. This is how you set it up. You actually take the little sensors and you poke them through the strap just like this. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how to hook this up. You have to put it on the side of the foot right here, and then you wrap this around and then just strap it down just like that, and then you will connect this to the top of the machine. That just pushes in, and we're going to hit the power button. Alright, so now you can see that it's displaying the oxygen level and the pulse rate. And it's strapped on baby's foot, so this can stay on all night long if they were sleeping and you needed to monitor it all night. Very, very cool, very easy to hook up, and you can see that it works quite well. We'll take the strap off his little foot, and then we're going to check mine real quick. We're going to use the finger probe. Now, of course, all this is painless, and what you do is you have the sensor on the bottom and the rubber on top, and you just put your finger in there, and then we'll connect it to the machine. So now you can see my pulse rate and my oxygen percentage, which is really good. You can hit the pulse button, and it's going to actually give you an audible tone every time the heart beats, which is very cool. You have a button here also for muting or turning the alarm off, and then your power button is right here. Now if you hit the menu button, you can set up your user ID, you can set your record mode, you have your data management, you have your alarm settings so you can customize your alarms, your system settings, and your date and time. And then you can hit the menu button again to return. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and pull the app up because I want to show you the app. That way you can see how well the app works. Alright, so I've got myself hooked up to it, and you can see my pulse rate and my oxygen level, and you can hear the pulse going off. So you just hit the pulse button and you can stop that. But here's the app right here. I'm just going to set the device down, and you can see it's reflecting everything directly to the app. And the app is called HealthTree Assistant. Now I didn't see the name of the app in the instructions, so I'm telling you here what it's called. And just look up HealthTree Assistant. It literally took me about 15 seconds to get the app connected. All I had to do was allow Bluetooth, and it connected immediately to the device. It's a very simple app, which is great because it just makes it less complicated and easier to use. Now you can see that you can also take all your reports from dates and times, and you can export them. That way if you need to send them to your doctor, it'll be nice and easy to do so, and it keeps track of date, time. all your levels, and it also gives you live monitoring as well. Very, very cool. So if you're in a situation to where you need to monitor oxygen levels and pulse rate all through the night, then this is going to be a great device for you. It's great for baby. It's going to be great for you if you're curious if you're sleeping properly and getting enough oxygen while you're sleeping. This would be a good way to do a self-test. It works very well. I like the fact that it's rechargeable and wireless, and it also has the colored display, and the fact that it all connects to an app for easy export. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.